Do you want to save some money while connecting your phone numbers with Vapi? If yes, then let's jump right into this video. My Vapi account, and I have some of the assistants which I have already created. This is Alex, right? So if we go inside the phone numbers tab, we can see that and these are all of the phone numbers which I have for myself. So whenever you try to create a new phone number, you have these options, right? And like most of these options are going to cost you. Like if you are importing a phone number from value, you have to pay value. If you are importing from one age, you have to pay them. So in all of the ways, you have to pay, uh, a certain amount. In case of Vapi free numbers, there's a note that it is only available inside the US. If you are outside the US, then you cannot use this free Vapi number. The only option which is left is to use SIP. So Vapi allows you to create a free SIP ID, and you can use this SIP to SIP communication with the use of that. So let's say we create a new SIP right now, and we define YouTube, and we define like YouTube SIP, right? And you can see that this is the SIP URL which is created here, and you can define label YouTube SIP, right? And we don't need to you can define some username and password, but we don't need it, it's optional. We create import SIP URI. You can see that this SIP YouTube SIP URI has been created, and if you connect this SIP URI with some assistant, let's say we connect with assistant Alex, right? So now our SIP URI has been connected with this assistant. Just like we import a phone number from any platform, let's say we talk about this phone number, we actually associate it with some assistant. In the same way, I have created a free SIP URI with Vapi, and you have associated an assistant with that, right? Now, how we are going to do it in action, right? Because in this case, we are obviously going to call this number. We're going to do some inbound call to this number, and our assistant is going to pay, right? In this case, how we are going to connect with this SIP URI? So for that purpose, you have to install an app, and the app name is Minphone, right? Let me show you that. So this is the app, and inside this you have to log in, and you have to add this contact into this, right? And let me call this this SIP URI, right? I would be calling it from this app, and this app Minphone support SIP to SIP communication, right? This also has a SIP URI, and we are going to call from this SIP to the one which we created from that. So let's do one thing. We create a new contact, right? We create a new contact from here, and we are going to define first name, last name, and SIP address. So this has been created, right? Now I'm going to call. Now I'm going to press the call button, and let's see if our Vapi assistant is available on the internet or not. Let's call it. You can see it's making an outbound call.
Tech Solutions customer support. How can I help you today?
So just to clear the point that I actually called this assistant not on a phone number, right? I actually called this assistant on this SIP URI, right? I associated this assistant right here. You can see this is the Alex, and I associated this assistant with this SIP URI, and I called this SIP URI from this app, right? I'm not using the phone number here, and I'm not being charged for that. I'm calling it from my phone, and it is doing the SIP to SIP communication, and it's not going to charge me anything. It's totally free. So I would suggest this is a very good approach. SIP to SIP communication is a very good approach to test Vapi, inside the real customer scenarios, and you can test Vapi different assistants, and you can check how it's going to be the real, end user behavior, right? So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for next upcoming more informative videos. Thank you.